This tutorial will cover how to create a menu, particularly your main navigation on your WordPress site. So to start, come to Appearance and then Menus. From the menu page, you'll see that I've already created something that I've called the secondary menu. That's a dynamic title, so you can change it to whatever you want. For the sake of this example, I'll create a new menu, which I'll enter in here, and I could call it footer navigation, create menu, and you'll see it's created now. It's in the title area, and I have to add pages. So to add pages, I'll come down here, and let's say that I wanted to add a couple of these water articles. Let's add them from here. A link to the home page, to the shopping cart, and here's the water articles. Hit add to menu, and you'll see they show up here. There's the ability, you have the ability to create your site hierarchy here. You should already have your hierarchy completed, and you'll see if it's done correctly in this pages area that it already shows up with an indent. However, you do not have to follow that same hierarchy with the menu, although it usually makes sense to visitors if you do. So in this case, this was thrown together, and this isn't really a logical menu, but say I wanted to make the cart a child page of the home page, and then I could even add a grandchild page simply by dragging and dropping. It's a nice, easy interface to use. In most of your main menus, you'll have mostly high-level pages with just a couple child pages in there. So once your pages are selected, oh, and I'll throw in one nice other feature. Say you have titled the page arsenic and water like this one, but in fact in the menu I want it to simply read water contaminants. I would go in and change the title, and then be sure to hit save menu or it will not change it. And now it's changed. And then we'll say to say this was my main menu. I would come in here and under primary navigation, I would need to select that as my, and in this case I would have it titled main menu or something to that effect. I would select that and hit this save button in order for the menu to save up here so that I can see these. In this case, I don't have to do that because my theme works just a little different. It automatically pulls it in, although it's nice to use this feature anyway because it gives you control over the main menu, and I would suggest using it with pretty much any theme. So you'll see here I'm back to normal on my main menu, and I have disabled most of the drop downs except for this one right here shows up. And that's the basics of creating your menu in WordPress.